Let's make some creamy lemon garlic pasta. Let's make the lemon cream garlic sauce. We're gonna melt 3 tablespoons butter. Turn the heat down. All right, let's add our garlic. 3 to 4 minutes. Add the juice of 1 lemon. Add in your heavy cream. We're gonna do half of this big container or 1 small container. Finally, we're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Give it a taste. And just a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna add just a few lemon slices in here. Drop our pasta. While my pasta is finishing cooking, I'm just going to chop up some parsley. Go ahead and take out these lemon slices just because they're just going to get in the way. We're going to add our pasta directly into the skillet because the pasta water is going to help thicken the sauce. Finish this with a little bit of parsley. And that is how easy it is to make grilled chicken over a lemon cream garlic pasta.